There's so much that I love about this avocado ranch salad. It's so easy to throw together and it's a beautiful side dish for summer. This simple avocado ranch salad is packed with crunchy vegetables and I'm going to show you start to finish how to make it. So hey, it's Jenna here from Sip Bite Go and let's get right to making this simple avocado ranch salad. It's the type of salad that you would find in a salad kit or the type of salad you'd get out to eat. It's really creamy from the ranch and everyone loves it when I put it down on the dinner table. The best part is that it takes less than 10 minutes and all you have to do is dice up a lot of vegetables and mix them together. So first you see I'm adding everything to a large mixing bowl and in goes the diced carrots, diced bell peppers. Here I'm using yellow bell pepper. You could use orange bell pepper, red bell pepper. I would just stick away from using green bell pepper because it's going to be more bitter if you use that. And there's so much of the red onion in this recipe that you really don't need any other bitter flavors. You could even go a little bit lighter on the red onion. Using half in this case, it was a very large red onion and that really made the salad on the more bitter side. So if you like a radicchio salad or more bitter salads, leave in all of the red onion that I'm using, which this ended up being about a cup or a cup and a half of red onion when it was all diced up, or use less. Throw in 1 or 2 tablespoons if you don't really like bitter salads, but we do in this house. So after the red onion is diced up, it's time to get cracking on that avocado, but I don't throw the avocado in the salad just yet. After the other vegetables are diced up, they get thrown into the large salad mixing bowl, but the avocado is going to stay separate, and actually don't do the dicing of the avocado unless you're going to eat the salad very fast. What I do is I dice it up and then I'm going to throw it on the salad at the end after the ranch is already on because the avocado will turn a little bit faster. It'll start getting brown. So you'll see that I also added some of the frozen corn. It was actually cooked in a pan on the stove in some water. So it was boiled for a couple minutes until it wasn't frozen any longer. And then on goes a squeeze of fresh lime. Always use fresh lime or fresh citrus when you use it because it always tastes so much better than the already juiced kind you buy in the store. So then on goes 2 tablespoons of ranch dressing, and don't go too crazy with the ranch dressing. You'd be really surprised how far it actually goes when you add it in. So maybe add in 1 or 2 tablespoons and then see how you like it. Depending on how big your ingredients are, that the ranch might need to be added at the end, but usually about 2 tablespoons of ranch does it for this recipe. And so I think it's always pretty before you're serving to wipe out the bowl so it's nice and clear and looks inviting and doesn't have ranch smeared all over it. You could also transfer this to a serving bowl, but don't forget to add in that avocado before you serve it. So see, it just goes to the top, and this is actually a great make-ahead salad that you can do in advance, and like I said, only put the avocado on at the end. But if you are serving it with the avocado on top, if there's any left over, the bonus is that the leftover part probably doesn't have avocado in it, so you're not going to store it for the next day and open it to find browning avocado. So I know that's just like a little tiny tip that helps us enjoy it here, but I love it for the next day. I'll usually just throw on some more diced avocado and serve it again. So this is a super easy, simple avocado ranch salad. It's packed with all sorts of vegetables. It's great for work from home lunch or to take on a picnic to a wine tasting or to enjoy with a couple main dishes that I'm going to talk to you about. Don't forget to subscribe to the Sip Bite Go channel on YouTube and visit sipbitego.com for more easy recipes. If you love this simple avocado ranch salad, well, I have a couple options for you to serve it with. First off is my super easy pizza from Frozen Crust. I'm amazing at making pizza. I think it's one of my talents in life, and I want to share with you how to make pizza. So go to sipbitego.com for all of my pizza recipes. And then another main dish that is a great idea to serve with this simple avocado ranch salad is to make an easy chicken breast, and a lot of times I'll top chicken breast with cheese and throw it back in the oven to bake for a minute because it gets all melty and delicious. So you can totally see that the flavor combinations going on here are going to work with the simple avocado ranch salad because I'm using lime and I'm also using a Mexican blend cheese to finish this chicken breast at the end. Well, until next time, I hope that you have a wonderful and delicious day. Cheers!